everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to a brand new episode of the 31 Days of Halloween. Today's episode is actually going to help you with your cosplaying career, Halloween career, whenever you're gonna wear a wig career. Why? Because today I'm going to teach you how to put a wig on. There's a lot of people who don't know how to put on a wig, and I remember specifically watching Graveyard Girl saying she doesn't know how to put a wig on. So I'm here to rectify that problem. So some of the things that you are going to need are definitely a wig. This wig I got off of AliExpress ages ago. I don't even know who the seller is. Also, you will need various sizes of wig caps. Wig caps kind of stretch. I usually use 2 wig caps when I go out in cosplay or wear a wig because I have so much hair. It's a medium thickness. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog, but it's Halloween, so maybe it's a vampire behind me or a werewolf. You don't know, it could be a giant spider beneath me. Anyways, let's just continue. So there are 2 different types of wig caps that you can get that I've seen. I have gotten this one here, which is a giant fishnet sock that goes around your head and has this opening for your hair. Or you can have this nylon sock that has no opening, and this is what I put on top. Let me go ahead and show you how I do this. So make sure you have your hair nice and pulled out of the way. There's no rubber bands that I have right now. Now something that is really useful if you have like a lot of small hairs is extra hairpins. I don't have them with me right now. But you should know what a hairpin looks like. Go ahead and pull your mesh cap over you and pull it all the way up like a headband, making sure it grabs all of your hair. Now if it's not nice and tight, go back in and pull it all the way inside. Okay, perfect. Once you have it, make sure it sits at your hairline and grab the rest of your mesh cap and pull it all the way around so it grabs all of your hair. Once you have all of your hair coming out at the end like a funny little tube, you want to go ahead and make sure it gets inside it. Make sure it's nice and happy, cozy, comfy. None of your wig cap is moving. I'm going to tuck it under, kind of like rolling it. Now grab a hairpin. I'm going to be using 1 hairpin here, 1 hairpin here. And I'm just going to slowly pin it into my head. Now you can use multiple of these, so don't be scared. I'm just going to use like 2 right now. So I'm just going to make sure it's nice and secure, and I'm going to weave it into the mesh, securing my hair in place. Now some people, if you have thin amounts of hair, this is good enough. You can even pin back your sideburns, or you can glue down your sideburns. It's up to you. Now, with my second mesh cap that I have, I'm actually going to go over, start at the bottom here, and then work my way all the way to the front, making sure that it will press down my head. Like so. This is so I don't get too much of a bulgy bump. Oops. There we go. This way I don't get too much of a bulge back here. Don't pull too far forward. Just make sure it presses down. You want it to compress all of your hair into one. Some people actually like to braid their hair and then put their wig cap on top of it. That is really great if your hair is all the way down to the floor. My hair used to be long. It still is long. Now go ahead and grab out your wig. Now what I do not recommend... Oh, there was a tag here. Look at that. Okay. The tag says, "Cool today. We've been working hard." Oh, and it has instructions. Okay, well, no, I don't need instructions. I've been doing this for a while. So easily, carefully take your wig and move it to the side. Do not flip it upside down. These are delicate. Now, if you have these little clips on the inside, this is helpful for adjusting it. Then all you have to do is bring it around back first. Start at the back of your neck. And then pull forward. And then adjust as necessary. So this is kind of like a costumey like wig. But oh my god, I'm wearing the wrong lipstick for this. And ta-da! I have completely a brand new look. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions about putting on a wig or any other things you want to share with me, let me know with a comment down below. Do you like this wig color? Like, I don't know if I like this brown one, but I could probably just recolor it. I feel so cute. So I hope you guys have a great time. Go get some wigs, get a wig cap, and turn yourself into the next Hannah Montana. Don't do that. Okay, bye. And I'll see you in another 31 Days of Halloween video coming up soon.